Welcome to CNBC TV 18 PwC CFO Conclave, which is being held in this beautiful city of Udaipur, where some of the country's biggest names and the leading experts of the CFO community have gathered to discuss, deliberate and deconstruct the key changes that are taking place in the Indian economy and the regulatory environment.
There you go, my friends. Now you know what was missing earlier? To find happiness as we do things, we must do things together, as you have been doing over the years here in Nestle. So today, we will proceed further with this wonderful thought because it really does take two to tango, ladies and gentlemen. What do you say?
Two to tango. I love the tango, actually. You know, I want to say I'd love to do the tango with you because you're looking amazing in that dress. Isn't she, gentlemen? And ladies, give her a round of applause, please. Looking fantastic in that dress. Love that dress.
Thank you, Gaurav. Actually, it's one of my favorites as well. And, you know, it's really funny that you said that because my ex used to say the same thing.
Your ex?
I'm sorry about that. Gaurav?
ये भी कोई शेयर करने की चीज है?
Power of Tupperware.
A brand which has spread confidence across all genres of women world over. For the last 60 years, Tupperware has spearheaded this international revolution through an all-consuming commitment to enlighten, educate and empower women and their families. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mr. Karan Johar. We have with us Mr. Dhritiman Chatterjee, Ms. Zoya Akhtar, and of course Mr. Dibakar Banerjee. A warm welcome. It is really my privilege to welcome on stage our esteemed panelists, Mr. Karan Johar, Mr. Dibakar Banerjee, Ms. Zoya Akhtar and Mr. Dhritiman Chatterjee. It's actually time now to capture and celebrate once in 100 years moments of cinematic excellence with a very eminent panel as we move on to this panel discussion which is themed celebrating 100 years of Indian cinema. It's really time to celebrate the achievements, the successes, and look back at the turning points that have molded Indian cinema.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and a very warm welcome to all of you. Let me start by quoting Philip Kotler, who once said, "It takes one day to learn marketing, but the whole life to master it." So here we are celebrating 50 marketers this year. Welcome to the second edition of Pitch, India's Top 50 Marketers Awards 2010. Another change this year, ladies and gentlemen, is that we're giving away the awards across 10 categories, and there are 5 winners in each category. But before we get on with the awards, allow me to invite Mr. Anurag Batra, Chairman, Exchange for Media Group and Editor-in-Chief, Pitch, to kindly join us on stage to deliver the welcome address.
On behalf of the Exchange for Media Group, I'd like to welcome our chief guest, Mr. Digvijay Singh, who's kindly consented to give away the awards today. I'd like to welcome all of you.
And she is the diva that creates style not only on screen but also on the red carpets. And I would say she's someone that exudes style wherever she goes. I'm talking about the Bollywood fashionista. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting the oh so stylish Kalki Koechlin. Please welcome.
Wow, Inara sure knows how to steal the spotlight. Now, ladies and gentlemen, if you look closely at the designs of the collection, you will realize that the collection has been inspired from the various elements of space, like the swirls of the galaxies, the orbits and the rings of the planets, and the showers of the meteors and stars. And that is what makes it truly special. Ladies and gentlemen, who better to explain all of this than our very own Mr. Sandeep Kulhali. I now invite on stage Mr. Sandeep Kulhali, Vice President, Marketing and Retail Packaging. The world stands still feel as we experience Inara, an illumination, a revelation, a shine. Thank you, Mark. Thank you, Sandeep. Thank you, Shaman. Thank you, Deepika. And thank you to these beautiful women for being a part of this special occasion. We'd also like to thank our dear customers, members from the media, Phase 1 Events, Edelman and Leela Palace. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your cue to go and explore the Tanishq Inara collection. The display area is now open and the exquisite diamond collection awaits your attention. Enjoy the rest of the evening.